$1,346,293. Say that number out loud. Let it sit for a second. That is how much money a single $200 monthly investment, the cost of a car payment, grows into over 40 years at the stock market's historical average return of 10% per year, $1.3 million. From $200 a month. And the truly painful part, 70% of Americans are not investing at all, which means 70% of Americans are leaving that money on the table every single month. Today, that changes for you. Welcome back to WealthWise. If you are new here, welcome. This channel is for anyone who wants to understand money and actually build real wealth, no matter where they are starting from. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Now let us get into this. I want to start with something most people never think about. There is a silent, invisible thief stealing your money every single day. And it is not a fraudster. It is inflation. Inflation simply means that every year, the cost of everything goes up by an average of about 3%. Money sitting still in a regular savings account is not staying the same value, it is losing purchasing power every single year. A traditional bank savings account pays you around 0.01%. Inflation is running at 3%. You are effectively losing money every year you leave it doing nothing. The silent theft savings account, 0.01% per year. Inflation, 3% per year. You lose 299% in real value every single year. Meanwhile, the U.S. stock market has returned an average of 10% per year over the last 100 years. That includes World War II, the Great Depression, the 2008 crash, the 2020 pandemic, all of it, and it still averages 10%. That gap, the difference between leaving money in savings versus investing it, is the difference between having $100,000 at retirement and having over $1 million. Let me explain the stock market in a way that finally makes sense. Imagine every business in America, every restaurant, every tech company, every hospital, every factory. These businesses need money to grow, so some of them sell tiny pieces of ownership to regular people like you and me. Those tiny pieces are called stocks. When you buy a stock, you literally own a small piece of that company. If the company grows and becomes more valuable, your piece becomes worth more. The stock market is simply the marketplace where millions of people buy and sell those pieces every day. On any given day, the prices go up and down, but over long periods, 10, 20, 30 years, the market has always, in all of recorded history, gone up. The own truth about the have market. Short-term, unpredictable, and volatile. Long-term has always gone up. Your job, invest and wait. Now I am going to tell you the one thing that will save you years of confusion and probably hundreds of thousands of dollars in bad decisions. And it is so simple it almost feels too easy. You do not need to research individual companies. You do not need to watch financial news. You need one thing, an index fund. An index fund automatically buys tiny pieces of hundreds or thousands of companies all at once in a single purchase. You get instant diversification without doing any research at all. What an index fund is. One purchase, tiny ownership in hundreds of companies at once. If one company fails, you barely feel it. You own hundreds of others. The most famous index fund tracks the S&P 500, the 500 largest companies in the United States. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and 496 others. 1. Now I am going to tell you the one thing that will save you years of confusion and probably hundreds of thousands of dollars in bad decisions. And it is so simple it almost feels too easy. You do not need to research individual companies. You do not need to watch financial news. You need one thing, an index fund. An index fund automatically buys tiny pieces of hundreds or thousands of companies all at once in a single purchase. You get instant diversification without doing any research at all. What an index fund is: one purchase, tiny ownership in hundreds of companies at once. If one company fails, you barely feel it. You own hundreds of others. The most famous index fund tracks the S&P 500, the 500 largest companies in the United States. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and 496 others. 1. Purchase all 500. And here's the part that makes even professionals shake their heads. Index funds charge almost no fees. A typical managed fund charges 1 to 2% per year. An index fund charges as little as 0.03%. On a $400,000 portfolio, that fee difference is over $5,000 per year. Every year. This is why Warren Buffett, the greatest investor in history, has said publicly that most Americans should just buy a low-cost S&P 500 index fund and leave it alone. Section 4. How to open your first account, 630-845. TED. Walk them through this like a trusted friend. Make it feel easy and non-intimidating. Let us actually open an account. There are 2 decisions to make before you buy anything. Decision 1. If your employer offers a 401k with a company match, start there before anything else. A company match means your employer adds free money on top of what you put in. If they match 50% up to 6% of your salary, that is an instant guaranteed 50% return. Nothing in investing beats that. Start here first. Priority 141k. With employer. MATCS. Employer match, free money. A 50% match, instant 50% guaranteed return. Nothing in investing beats this. Start here. Decision 2. Open a Roth IRA. You invest money you have already paid tax on. It grows completely tax-free. When you withdraw it in retirement, you pay 0 in taxes. None. All the growth, over 20, 30, 40 years, yours, tax-free. Priority 2. Roth IRA. Invest after tax money now. Grows completely tax-free. You pay 0 taxes when you take it out in retirement. 2025 contribution limit, $7,000 per year. The 3 best platforms for beginners are Fidelity, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab. All 3 are free to open, charge 0 trading fees, and let you start with as little as $1. Opening an account takes about 10 minutes. You will need your social security number, your bank account details, and your basic personal information. Go to the website, click Open an Account. Choose Roth IRA, follow the steps. Once open, search for a total market index fund or S&P 500 index fund. On Fidelity, F0X 0. Fees. On Vanguard, VTSAX. On Schwab, 7WTSX. Any of these will serve you extremely well for the rest of your life. Section 5. 3 mistakes that destroy beginners, 845-1030. Make each mistake feel like a warning from a wise friend. Viewers should recognize their own thinking. Before your action plan, I need to warn you about 3 mistakes that destroy most beginner investors. Mistake number 1. Panic selling when the market drops. And it will drop. Your portfolio might fall 10, 20, or even 30%. Every instinct will scream at you to sell. Do not do it. In the entire history of the U.S. stock market, every single crash has been followed by a full recovery. Mistake number 2. Waiting for the perfect time. It does not exist. The research is overwhelming. The person who invested on the worst day of every year for 20 years still beat the person who kept cash waiting for the right moment. Just start. Every month you wait has a real dollar cost. Mistake number 3. Checking your portfolio every day. Studies show investors who check daily make significantly worse decisions than investors who check monthly. Daily fluctuations trigger fear. Fear triggers selling. Selling destroys returns. Check once a month maximum. Section 6, How much to invest and when to start, 1030-12. Two questions I get constantly. How much should I invest, and is it too late to start? On how much, the general recommendation is 15% of your take-home income. If that feels impossible, start with $25 a month. Start with what you have and increase slowly. The cost of waiting. $1,000 month, starting at age 25, die of $5.9 million by age 65. $1,000 month, starting at age 35, $2.3 million by age 65. Waiting just 10 years cost you $3.6 million. On when to start, today. The mathematics of compound interest mean that time is your single most valuable asset. Use dollar cost averaging, invest the same fixed amount every single month, regardless of what the market is doing. Set up an automatic monthly transfer. Treat it like a bill that must be paid. Pay your future self first. Action. Your 4 action steps. Do these this week. 12, 13, 15. Say this week firmly. Pause after each step. Every viewer should feel they can do this right now. Your plan. 4 steps. Do these this week. Step 1. If your employer offers a $400 SEC with a match, log into your HR system today and enroll. Contribute at least enough to get the full match. It is literally free money. Step 2. Go to Fidelity.com, Vanguard.com, or Schwab.com and open a Roth IRA. 10 minutes. Tech Step 3. Search for and purchase a total market or S&P 500 index fund inside your new account. Step 4. Set up an automatic monthly transfer so money moves from your bank to your investments without you thinking about it. That is it. 4 steps. You are now officially an investor. Your future self starts right here, right now. Utro call to action, plus close, 13, 15, 14. Smile when you say this. The comment question drives algorithm engagement. Ask it like you genuinely want to know. If this video helped you understand investing for the first time, please share it with someone who needs to hear it. Most people go their entire lives without understanding this stuff, and it costs them a fortune. Subscribe for 3 new videos every week covering everything from debt payoff to credit scores to building real wealth on a normal income. Leave a comment with one question you still have about investing. The question that gets the most likes becomes my next video, I promise. Thank you for being here.